Hey, welcome back to Dave Tech, all about audiovisual and video production. And in this video, I'm showing you my 30-hour battery test for Rode's Video Mic NTG. So let's get right into it. I recorded this in my closet so that it would get consistent light throughout the whole test, and so it would be a little quieter for the audio test. I did put a fan blowing onto the video mic. That's why it has the foam windscreen, because it was just blown out otherwise. There is actually a second fan blowing on the GoPro because I was worried about it overheating. I did not realize how warm the closet was going to get, so hopefully that didn't throw off the result. Unfortunately, as you'll see here, it didn't make it the full 30 hours. It stopped short at just over 28.5 hours. However, I say that's still very, very impressive, because most likely you're not going to be recording for more than 28.5 hours, but I'm going to take what I learned from this test and set up a new test, hopefully in an area that won't get so hot. And I'm going to use my old iPhone 5, which I still have, and use a timer on it so it could be a little more precise exactly how long the test lasts. So before you click away and watch hopefully another video on this channel, thanks for watching this. Please like, share, subscribe, and please comment so I don't have a channel that only gets spam bot messages. You know what this is? That's right, the end screen. I better go set up that 30-hour test. This is going to take a long time. Second thought, I might need this thing.